I love tofu and we eat it regularly at home, but sometimes I want a firmer, heartier texture. If you've ever felt the same way, frozen tofu might be the answer. Today I'm making a simple teriyaki teishoku using frozen tofu. When tofu is frozen and then thawed, the texture changes completely. It becomes firmer, chewier, and much more satisfying. Another great benefit is storage. Tofu doesn't last very long in the fridge, so freezing is a great way to keep it longer and always have some ready to use. Simply take it out of the freezer and leave it in the fridge for about half a day. I usually move it to the fridge the night before and let it thaw overnight. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. First, I squeeze out the extra moisture. Then I cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces. To help create a crispy outside, I lightly coat each piece with flour. I pan-fry the tofu for a few minutes until both sides are crisp and golden brown. Once it's nicely browned, I transfer the tofu to a plate for a moment. The teriyaki sauce is really simple. Just sugar, mirin, and soy sauce. I add them to the pan and let the sauce simmer gently until it becomes glossy and slightly thickened. Then the tofu goes back into the pan and everything gets coated in the sauce. Crispy outside, chewy inside. Today, I'm serving the tofu teriyaki with a small salad with daikon and carrot, miso soup, steamed rice. This kind of balanced meal with rice soup and a few side dishes is called Teishoku in Japan. The frozen tofu has such a satisfying bite, and the sweet savory glaze pairs perfectly with rice. I hope you enjoyed this simple Japanese Teishoku style meal. If you like to learn more easy Japanese home cooking and everyday meals, I share them in my weekly newsletter. You can find the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.